In the early morning light, Hoan Kiem Lake awakens gently, a peaceful heartbeat in the center of Hanoi. The bright red of the Hookuk Bridge glows under the morning sun, a timeless symbol of Hanoi's elegance. Every morning in Hanoi begins with calm movements, a peaceful rhythm shared by generations. Under the shade of ancient trees, Phan Dinh Phung Street breathes a gentle, timeless beauty. St. Joseph's Cathedral stands gracefully in the morning sun, a timeless symbol of Hanoi's heritage.
As the old quarter awakens, Hanoi's morning rhythms begin to flow through every street. A moving garden on two wheels, carrying the gentle beauty of Hanoi's morning streets.
In these quiet alleys, Hanoi whispers its softest, most intimate stories.
Here at the Temple of Literature, history rests quietly beneath ancient roofs and calm waters.
The imperial citadel of Thang stands proud, carrying centuries of history under the golden morning sun.
Along Phung Hung Street, vibrant murals bring Hanoi's past to life through color and imagination.
A gentle breeze sweeps across West Lake, where calm waters and warm sunlight embrace the day.
With a gentle smile and baskets full of colors, she carries a piece of Hanoi's timeless charm. On a quiet sidewalk, simple moments reveal the everyday heartbeat of Hanoi.
On tiny wooden stools, the taste of egg coffee captures the everyday warmth of Hanoi.
Wandering through Hanoi's old quarter, every smile and every snapshot becomes a story of discovery.
Soft melodies drift through the streets, bringing a gentle harmony to Hanoi's heart.
Moving gently through the city, the Hanoi train brings a warm, familiar rhythm to everyday life.
Grilled over glowing charcoal, bun cha fills the streets with a scent that defines Hanoi's flavor.
A bowl of Hanoi pho, steaming hot, rich in flavor, and loved by generations.
With every delicate layer, Thang Tri rice rolls carry the warmth and craft of Hanoi's culinary heritage. Soft green grains of young rice, carrying the gentle fragrance of Hanoi's autumn.
A simple ice cream on a lively Hanoi street, bringing smiles that feel instantly unforgettable.
Inside Dong Xuan Market, colors, flavors, and local voices blend into the vibrant soul of Hanoi.
At West Lake, sunset paints the sky in shades of calm, a moment when time gently slows.
As night falls, Nha Tan Bridge glows with shifting colors. At Hoan Kiem Walking Street, music, laughter, and gentle moments bring the whole city together.
In Hanoi's Old Quarter night market, lantern lights and handmade crafts create a warm, vibrant charm.
At Ta Hien Street, Hanoi's young spirit comes alive, where friends gather and cultures meet under warm evening lights.
And as night falls over Hanoi, the city glows like a sky full of quiet stars.